Hello everyone, I'm Keith Churchill, Bechtel's Chief Innovation Officer. I'm honored to be able to present to you today and regret not being able to be with you in person. Bechtel is committed to partnering with our customers, aligning to their goals, and delivering solutions that provide value from the initial study phase all the way through operations and maintenance. Over the course of the last several years, there has been an increase in the utilization of IoT devices that are being leveraged to understand facility performance, reduce downtime during operation, and help predict how changes in the process will affect future profitability. The quantity of data produced from these devices is growing at a rapid pace. The challenge is determining which data sets provide value and how to connect data in ways that create actionable metrics that can be leveraged to reduce costs, avoid downtime, and improve output. Since 2002, Bechtel has been partnered with the U.S. Army's Program Execution Office, Assembled Chemical Weapons Alternatives, to destroy various types of chemical weapons. As a signatory to the Chemical Weapons Convention, the U.S. Congress set a deadline of December 31st, 2023 to destroy all of the remaining chemical weapons stockpile. Bechtel has designed 2 facilities to destroy various types of these munitions: the Pueblo Chemical Agent Destruction Pilot Plant, PCAP, and the Bluegrass Chemical Agent Destruction Pilot Plant, BGCAP. Today, my discussion will focus on our work with PCAP. The PCAP munition destruction process is complicated and uses digital robotic processes containing nearly 40,000 assets. The control system leveraged information from 43 programmable logic controllers, PLCs, including over 14,000 input-output points. There were several challenges to the project which utilized first-of-a-kind technology. This impacted the team's ability to identify and resolve issues. As issues arose, it was difficult to obtain clarity on the cause of the disruption and therefore gain a clear understanding of how to fix it. Additionally, the security requirements for the project required air-gap consoles, which significantly limited accessibility to large amounts of data being produced by the system. The process of performing analysis on these computers and then printing and scanning the reports was extremely cumbersome and limited the level of analysis able to be performed. In collaboration with our customer, Bechtel was able to develop a secure data infrastructure that enabled on-site personnel to gather information, produce valuable metrics, and enable personnel to quickly evaluate plant performance data. With a new abundance of accessible data, the team of engineers, industrial control system specialists, operations management, and data scientists began to evaluate the plant's performance and investigate issues to try to understand the root cause of the disruptions and work to alleviate them faster than before. Leveraging technologies like machine learning, the new data management system could provide models to the operations team and engineers highlighting changes in conditions that led to debottlenecking and preventative maintenance measures. This information provided a multitude of insights, including the following examples: the cause for a pressure relief valve to release, an abrupt spike in the temperature of an off-gas treatment system, and indications of foaming in certain systems that would eventually lead to a shutdown. Optimizing the overall production through the use of this technology has led to an increase in production of 300%. The plant has continued to proceed with the destruction of the munitions at a record pace, keeping the country on track to meet the treaty deadline. In a world where data is the expectation and IoT devices are providing insights to processes where there were previously none, the ability to manage the ingestion of the data, how it is structured, and ensuring that it is secure is paramount to enabling the analysis of the information and acting on it. As cyber threats continue to target critical infrastructure, it is imperative that you consider the security of not only your IT, but also your OT, your operational technology. As we have seen recently, cyber criminals are targeting operations. We need to be prepared and have a plan to protect our assets. This will ensure that we have the ability to operate continuously and efficiently, and at the same time enable the use of technology like machine learning or asset performance management. The use of this data can enable increased efficiencies, improve profitability, and the reduction of unforeseen risks. This concludes my presentation. Thanks again for your time. It was an honor to be able to present. I'm looking forward to seeing you again, hopefully in person, in the near future. Thank you.